What you're watching isn't a real war, but it is the closest thing to it. Exercise Kharga Shakti 2026, unfolding in the deserts of Rajasthan.
जो आपने आज देखा, ये एक स्ट्राइक कोर का बहुत ही छोटा हिस्सा है, तकरीबन 2%.
At the vast Mahajan field firing range, the Indian Army's Western Command is putting its combat power to the test. But this exercise is about more than firepower. It is about coordination, precision, teamwork. Here, the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force operate as a single integrated fighting force. The exercise begins in the skies. The Air Force secures aerial dominance. Apache attack helicopters sweep in, delivering precise, close support strikes for troops on the ground. And moments later, soldiers descend rapidly from helicopters inserted straight into the battlefield from above. The message is clear. Modern warfare is no longer fought in isolation. It unfolds simultaneously in the air and on the ground. Technology now plays a decisive role. Drones take center stage. The Kharga Chakra drone conducts long-range surveillance of over 200 kilometers, gathering crucial battlefield intelligence. A tethered drone hovers steadily overhead, streaming live updates in real time. Then come the swarm drones, multiple unmanned systems operating together, tracking targets and assisting strike coordination. The Ashni platoon highlights how drone systems and smart technologies are becoming central to modern combat. On the ground, the scale of firepower is formidable. T-90 tanks carry out live firing drills demonstrating strength and precision. Combat vehicles maneuver with troops, providing mobility and protection under simulated battle conditions. New generation armoured vehicles showcase improved speed and enhanced protection for soldiers. Artillery units unleash sustained fire, striking distant targets to support advancing forces. But beyond the machines lies the real strength. Trained soldiers making split-second decisions under pressure. The coordinated firepower on display reflects not only advanced weapons, but rigorous training and discipline.
इतना जरूर कहूंगा कि मैं रशिया में भारतीय दूतावास में डिफेंस अटैचे था 3 साल के लिए. यूक्रेन वॉर के बिल्कुल तकरीबन 2 महीने पहले मैं वहां से निकला और मैंने कई एक्सरसाइजेज जो हैं चाइना पाकिस्तान के साथ भी हमने एक्सरसाइजेज किए शंघाई कॉरपोरेशन के तहत. मगर ये कहना चाहूंगा कि भारतीय सोल्जर इस दुनिया का सबसे माहिर, सबसे ट्रेंड सोल्जर. भारतीय सोल्जर की बराबरी मेरे ख्याल से दुनिया में कहीं नहीं की जा सकती.
Exercise Kharga Shakti makes one thing evident. Warfare is evolving. Today, it is not just about having more weapons. It is about integrating drones for surveillance, precision armour strikes, sustained artillery support, rapid helicopter deployment, and seamless coordination between air and land forces. From long-range drones to main battle tanks, from swarm systems to soldiers inserted from the sky, this is the new age of Indian warfare.
All stations are parked. Cabo. Fire!